Hello, my name is Huoyi Ya. Today, I will teach you how to count from 1 to 10 in Hmong. Are you ready? Here we go! Number 1 is E. Number 2 is Ah. Number 3 is Bei. Number 4 is Blau. Number 5 is G. Number 6 is Dao. Number 7 is Hia. Number 8 is Yi. Number 9 is Yua. Number 10 is Go. Okay, now let's say it all together. E, Ah, Bei, Blau, Ji, Dou, Pia, Yi, Yua, Go. Great job! Thanks for learning with me. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.